Hi there! Today's video is on Subscribe To. Subscribe To is an email notification and subscription management plugin. It is designed to send notification to a list of subscribers after publishing a new content every time. There are two kinds of subscribers, public and registered. Public subscribers will only subscribe with their email address, whereas registered users will register to your blogs and will get the flexibility over email content. In this video, we show how to use Subscribe To manage public subscribers. Go to Subscribe To, followed by Subscriber, and then click on Public Subscribers. Now type the email addresses of the public subscribers. For multiple users, add a comma to separate them. Click on the subscribe button to add the addresses. To ensure the process is successful, select the emails you just added. Then, select the toggle option from the drop-down box. Then click on Apply to finish. An email will be sent to the subscribers to confirm their subscription. Before confirming, they will be in the unconfirmed list. For subscribers who are in the unconfirmed list, you can send them a reminder emails. After confirming, they will be in the confirmed list. You can remove subscribers by simply writing the email address and clicking on the unsubscribe button. And that is how you can manage public subscribers using Subscribe To. For more information on email marketing for your WordPress site, be sure to check out getweemail.io and subscribe to our channel.